Today I'm going to show you step by step how you can start making money online with Etsy and print on demand. Whether you're a total beginner or someone looking to start a side hustle, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. First, why Etsy and print on demand? Etsy is a massive marketplace with millions of buyers looking for unique and custom products. Print on demand lets you sell items like t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags without handling inventory or shipping. That means low risk and no upfront costs. Now here's how to get started. Step 1 is finding your niche. Your niche is the specific theme or audience you're targeting. For example, think about hobbies, professions, or trends. Popular niches on Etsy include pet lovers, plant moms, and funny quotes for teachers. Research what's already selling by searching keywords on Etsy and noting designs that have lots of sales. Here's a tip: use Etsy Search Autocomplete to discover trending keywords. Step 2 is creating your designs. You don't need to be a professional artist. Tools like Canva and Photoshop make it easy to create high-quality graphics. Keep your designs simple and bold, and focus on text-based graphics, as they're very popular. Just make sure your designs align with your niche. You can also hire a freelance designer on platforms like Fiverr if designing isn't your thing. Step 3 is choosing a print-on-demand partner. Popular options include Printful, Printify, and Gelato. These services integrate directly with Etsy and handle printing and shipping for you. Sign up, connect your Etsy store, and upload your designs to create products. Each platform has different product options and pricing, so pick the one that suits your needs. Step 4 is setting up your Etsy shop. Go to Etsy.com and click Sell on Etsy. Choose a shop name that reflects your niche, like Funny Teacher Finds or Cozy Cat Designs. Add a catchy logo and a shop banner to make your store look professional. Don't forget to write a clear shop description that tells buyers who you are and what they can expect. Step 5 is listing your first products. Use your print-on-demand partner to sync your products to Etsy. Write clear and compelling titles like Funny Teacher Mug, Best Teacher Gift. Use Etsy tags like Teacher Gifts, Funny Mugs, and Teacher Appreciation. Use high-quality mock-up images to showcase your products. You can create these using Placeit or the mock-up tools from your print-on-demand partner. Step 6 is optimizing for SEO. Use keywords buyers are searching for in your titles, descriptions, and tags. For example, instead of cute mug, write funny cat lover mug, cute gift for cat owners. Include those keywords naturally in your description to help your listings rank higher in Etsy search results. Step 7 is promoting your products. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok to showcase your designs. For instance, create a TikTok showing how your mug looks in real life, or pin your designs on Pinterest boards related to your niche. Consider running Etsy ads for your best-selling items. Even a small budget can help you get noticed. Finally, keep improving and scaling. Monitor what sells best and create more products in that style. Experiment with new niches, designs, and marketing strategies. Over time, you'll learn what works for you. That's it. Now you have all the steps to start making money online with Etsy and print on demand. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what niche you're excited to try. Thanks for watching and happy selling.